All right, guys, last eBay break of the night, and it is going to be another Series 3 Gold Rush full-size helmet. So, a ton of big names you can find in here. Aaron Rodgers, you've got Dan Marino, Russell Wilson, Lamar. So, let's see if we can find one of them. I think Joe Burrow, an LSU helmet. So, here is the list of teams on this. Alan M. with the 49ers. Brandon's got the Patriots. Chad R. with the Cardinals and Ravens. Christopher B. with the Chiefs, Vikings, Giants, Steelers, and Bucks. Craig's got the Jags and the Eagles. Curtis with the Falcons and the Broncos. Daniel W. with the Dolphins. Derek's got the Panthers and Raiders. Jeff M. with the Bengals and the Lions. Josh, you've got the Bears and the Colts. That's Josh M. Josh F. with the Packers. Carlton with the Seahawks. Kyle G. with the Bills. Lance with the Cowboys. Michael T. with the Browns. Paul G's got the Chargers. Robert K., you've got the Texans, the Rams, the Saints, and the Redskins. Thomas with the Jets. And then Travis, you've got the Tennessee Titans. All right, so let's see. We got tape and seal on this. This is our last case that we're doing. I'm hoping they release another series so we can keep doing the full-size helmets. All right, guys, good luck. Who the heck is that? Oh, dude. Now, this one's cool. We're going another college helmets. We're 2 for 2 on the college helmets, but check this sucker out. I think it's college. I don't even know who the crap that is. GE. But the auto, you know who that is. Warren Moon. Got College Football Hall of Fame. 2001. I don't even know where he... Is that GE? Is that EE? Who is that? Anybody know where Warren Moon went to college? Dude, you got the... This is cool, man. You got this, I think that's gold. Maybe it's chrome. I can't even see with this light. It's going to be a chrome face mask. Oh, is it the Eskimo? So is that going to be, is that the, not the AFL. What was it called? CFL. There it is. All right, so that is going to be the Titans / the Oilers, which will be Travis J. So yeah, 10 years with the Houston Oilers. Really cool. Sticker's coming off, well, maybe not. So nice hit, Travis. That's cool, buddy. So we'll get that helmet in the mail. First I've seen of these, man. We pull the Oilers stuff. It's a really cool helmet. All right, so we'll get that helmet in the mail tomorrow, Tuesday. And we've got another of these coming at you next weekend. So the team auctions will end Saturday on eBay, and we'll break it here next Sunday.